Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get a Dream League Soccer 2025 hack. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu I can actually enable unlimited gems. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys so we can actually get rich on the Dream League Soccer 2025. So let's see if it goes up or not. So currently there's no change, but let's see what happens to our game. Are we going to get rich or not? Let's see what happens, guys. And no, it's not increasing. Yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It works for iOS and Android. So this is super cool, guys. So let's get straight into the video. And I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. All right, so to download it, we're just going to open the browser and just go to this website right here, which is tweakmod.com. Alright, so once you're on this site, guys, you're going to see like a ton of modded apps. So just type in Dream League Soccer, press install, and it will start downloading the mod. Now before it downloads, it's going to be a verification, so you just got to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, it shouldn't take long, honestly, but a lot of people do like understand me and they know how to do it, but a lot of people don't. So let's just see what happens. So it's loading right now. So as you can see, it's just gonna say like missing files. So you can see we got all the apps here. So you just want to make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow instructions. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds, so you could do that. Or you could do TikTok, all these apps. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get the Dream League Soccer 2025 mod for all devices. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. That's the site, Tweak Mod. So try it out, guys. It's really cool.